Hello again, M2. I hope you enjoyed yesterday's video and I hope you remember all the jobs we learnt. Do you know what job you want to do after school? Maybe you do, maybe you don't. Well, today we will continue with the topic of jobs. We'll learn some new jobs. So, if you're ready, let's get going. Now, as I said, today we will continue to learn about jobs. So first of all, same question as yesterday. What do you want to be? What job do you want? Let's recap some jobs from yesterday. What's this? Pilot. Pilot. Singer. Singer. Vet. Vet. Doctor. Doctor. Accountant. Accountant. Marine biologist. Marine biologist. Flight attendant. Flight attendant. App developer. App developer. Photographer. Photographer. Astronaut. Astronaut. Okay, now some new jobs that we didn't learn yesterday. What do you think his job is? He's in the mountains. He is an explorer. Likes to explore new places in the mountains, in the jungle. What's her job? She is a teacher. Teacher. She has the same job as me. What's her job? Filmmaker. Filmmaker. Now, yesterday we had photographer and today filmmaker. Now, these are slightly different. Photographer, they use a camera to take one picture. Filmmaker uses a video camera to record a video, make a film or a movie. Filmmaker. What's his job? He is a scientist. Scientist. Ooh, looks like a dangerous job, this one. He is a snake researcher. Snake researcher. So he likes to find snakes and research them, find out more information, study snakes. Firefighter. Firefighter. Another dangerous job. Guidance counselor. Guidance counselor. Now, what is a guidance counselor? They work in a school, but they're not a teacher. They don't teach, but they are there to help students. If they have any problems or want help or want to ask about different jobs after school, okay, guidance counselor. Now, question time. We have two questions. First one, can we read? What do you want to be someday? Someday is in red. And the next question, what would you like to do someday? So we have, what do you want to be someday? And what would you like to do someday? Now, both these questions mean the same thing, okay? They both mean, what job do you want to do? Okay. Now, can you notice? They both have the word someday in red, someday. What does someday mean? Let's see. Someday means sometime in the future, not a specific day. So not one day, sometime in the future. We don't know when, maybe 1 year, 10 years, sometime in the future. Okay, let's have a look at these questions being used. So we have two people, boy and a girl. Boy asked a question, what do you want to be someday? Girl, what is she thinking? What job is this? I want to be a scientist. I want to be a scientist. So that means in the future, she wants to be a scientist. Maybe when she finishes school or after university, or maybe in a long time, but she wants to be a scientist. Next question. What would you like to do someday? What is she thinking? I'd love to work as a guidance counselor. Guidance counselor. Okay. Next one. What do you want to be someday? What job is this? What does he want to be? I'd like to be a filmmaker. Filmmaker. What would you like to do someday? I'd love to work as a teacher. Teacher. What do you want to be someday? What is the answer? I'd like to be a firefighter. Firefighter. What do you want to be someday? What job is that? Do you remember? He likes to explore different places. I want to be an explorer. What do you want to be someday? I want to be a snake researcher. Snake researcher. Now, let's practice. Can you remember the different answers to the different questions? So over here we have instructions. Unjumble the words and guess the job to answer the question. So here is the question. What do you want to be someday? Down here we have the words jumbled up. Be, like, I'd. Blank, missing word, to. What do you think is the answer? In the middle we have a picture, but it's very difficult to see what the picture is. You will have to guess. So, what do you want to be someday? What is the answer? Let's have a look. First sentence. I'd like to be a, what's the job? 3, 2, 1. Firefighter. I'd like to be a firefighter. Okay, next one. What would you like to do someday? So we have love to and work, I'd, as, and the blank missing word here. Let's have a look. What do you think is the correct sentence? I'd love to work as an Astronaut. Astronaut. Did you guess correctly? Well done if you did. So can you see this one? I'd love to work as an astronaut. So the question, what would you like to do someday? I'd love to work as an astronaut. Next question, a bit different. What do you want to be someday? Down the bottom, be, I, blank word, want to, What is the correct sentence? I want to be a, so question, what do you want to be someday? I want to be a teacher. Okay, I want to be a teacher, like me. Okay, question, what do you want to be someday? What is the correct sentence? I want to be a filmmaker. Filmmaker. Okay, making films and movies. Now, what do you want to be someday? I'd like to be a marine biologist. Marine biologist. Study all the fish and plants in the sea. Now back to this question. What would you like to do someday? I'd love to work as a flight attendant. Flight attendant. Okay. Now, mission time. I have a mission for you today. Read carefully. Your mission is to record a video of yourself answering the question below and post it in the comments section. There will be a prize for the best video. Good luck. So, this is the question. What do you want to be someday? So I want you to film a video. You can use your phone, film a video of yourself answering the question. What do you want to be someday? I want to be, I'd like to be. Okay, film the video and then post it in the comments below this video on our Facebook page. Okay, I will watch the videos and I'll choose which video is best, and when you come back to school I'll give a prize to whoever made the best video. Okay, so try and do that today before tomorrow's video. Okay, well done. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope you've learned some more jobs and how to ask and answer questions about what jobs you want to do in the future. As always, look out for tomorrow's video on our Facebook, YouTube and Line, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Goodbye.